Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Unit-11, Loci and Construction. Our today topic. Now, definition. What is loci? Definition of loci. A locus is a set of points that follow a given rules. Locus are useful for understanding and predicting pattern. Loci help in area like telecommunication and GPS technology. Loci in two dimensions are triangle, circle, parallel lines, perpendicular bisector, and angle bisector. Construction of a triangle. Definition of triangle. A triangle is a closed figure having three sides and three angles. We construct triangle in the following cases. 1. When measure of all three sides are given. Number 2. When measure of two sides and their including angle are given. Number 3. When measure of one side and measure of two angles are given. Number 4. When measure of two sides and angle opposite to one of them is given. How to construct triangle? Side angle side construction method. Draw the base. Draw first side base of a triangle using ruler to specified length, given length. Now, second point, construct the angle. At one end point of the base, use a protractor or compass to construct the given angle. Third, along the new ray from angle, mark the length of second side using a compass. Join the end point with a straight line to complete the triangle. Constructing a triangle with one side and two angles, that ASA, AAS. Draw a given side base. Construct the first angle at one end point. Construct the second angle at the other end point. The intersection of two rays forms the third vertex. Angle side. Given one side and two non-adjacent angles. Not both at the end of the given side. Find the third angle using sum of angle equals to 180. Apply the ASA methods with the calculated angle. The construction process identical to ASA once the third angle is known. The ambiguous case, two sides and a non-including angle, SSA. When the angle is obtuse or right, the side opposite the angle is shorter than the adjacent side, no triangle can be found. Case 2. One solution. When the angle is obtuse or right, or when the sides opposite the angle is longer than or equal to adjacent side, exactly one unique triangle is formed. Case 3. Two solutions. When the angle is acute and the side opposite the angle is shorter than adjacent side but longer than altitude, two different triangles be constructed. Angle bisector. Definition of angle bisector: a line that divides an angle into equal parts. Each angle of a triangle has an angle bisector. Concurrency point: in center. Property: equidistance from all three sides of triangle. Perpendicular bisector: a line perpendicular to the side at its midpoint. Each side has a perpendicular bisector. Concurrency point: circumcenter. Property: equidistance from all three vertices. Median: a line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Each vertex has a median. Concurrency point: centroid. Property: divides each median in a 2:1 from vertex. What is altitude? A line segment from a vertex perpendicular to the opposite sides or the line containing the opposite side. Orthocenter: the point where all three altitudes of a triangle intersect. This is the fourth major triangle center.